morning, Lisa. You're early today. Yes, ma'am, because I've been starting. Please have a seat first.
So what is all about, Lisa? The truth is, I'm leaving Marco and here's my reason. May I ask why you're leaving? I just feel like I'm still young and I want to explore and experience other opportunities that I have yet discovered, ma'am. It's sad to hear that you're resigning, but I understand. Before you go, let me inform the HR first about your resignation so they can conduct exit interview with you. Thank you for understanding me. Okay, I'll see you around. Good luck with your next journey, Lisa. Here's the resignation letter of Lisa. Please pass it to the HR manager. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Here's the resignation paper of Miss Lisa from the supervisor. Okay, thank you. Good morning, sir. Here's the resignation paper of one of the employees that will resign in the company.
So please call Miss Lisa so that we can conduct an exit interview with her.
Okay, sir. I will call her right now.
Just click here. Listen.
Good morning, sir. Miss Lisa is already here.
Please sit there interview.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning too, Lisa. Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Before we start, Lisa, I heard that you decided to resign. Can you share with me what prompted this decision?
Yes, sir. Well, I'm early my time here. I just come realize that I'm seeking for new opportunities outside of the organization.
Oh, I see. Is there any specific issue about your role or company culture that influenced your decision?
It's not about any specific issue in the company. I reached the point where I need to explore different career paths and broaden my skill set.
I understand your perspective, Miss Lisa. As we move on, do you have any suggestion for areas that we can improve to better return employees in the future?
Definitely, sir. I believe providing clear path for the career advancement and fostering a more flexible work environment could help to retain the talent into the long run.
Thank you for sharing your insight, Ms. Lisa. Before we conclude, is there anything you'd like to discuss or address?
No, I think it covered it. And also, I want to express my gratitude to my support colleagues and also to my supervisors.
Lisa, I want to express my gratitude for your openness during this exit interview. Your insight provides us a valuable perspective for company growth. I will compile a report summarizing our discussion and share it to our management team so that we can formulate or strategize better retention of employees in the future.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad that my feedback is beneficial for the company's future.
No, Miss Lisa, your input is invaluable, giving you your experience with the team. Thank you once again for your time, Miss Lisa. I wish you best for your future endeavor.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your understanding.